voices in my head, I'll turn them down